Welcome back to Code 2 Car, the channel where we bring you daily updates on the latest cars, innovations, and future automotive icons. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Code 2 Car and hit that like button so you don't miss any of our detailed reviews and breakdowns. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary sports cars of all time, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo. This car isn't just about performance, it's about carrying forward decades of heritage while embracing modern engineering and technology. The Porsche 911 Turbo has always been the symbol of German precision, combining speed, handling, and everyday usability in a way that few supercars can match. For 2026, Porsche has refined the formula even further, giving us a car that's faster, smarter, and more efficient while still holding on to its unmistakable identity. From its sleek aerodynamic body to its roaring flat-six engine, the 911 Turbo continues to represent the heart of Porsche's performance lineup. On the outside, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo looks stunning. Porsche hasn't strayed too far from the iconic 911 silhouette, but it has sharpened every detail to make it more aggressive and aerodynamic. The front fascia is lower and wider, with adaptive LED matrix headlights and large air intakes that not only look menacing but also feed cool air into the engine and brakes. The rear is just as captivating, featuring a new active spoiler, updated LED taillight bar, and larger exhaust outlets that announce the turbo's presence with authority. Lightweight alloys and optional carbon ceramic brakes complete the package, reminding you this is no ordinary sports car. Inside, the 911 Turbo mixes luxury with cutting-edge tech. The cabin is covered in premium leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum, with options for carbon fiber trims for those who want an even sportier look. The seats are redesigned for better comfort and lateral support, making the car suitable for both daily driving and high-speed track runs. At the center sits Porsche's 11-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a highly responsive interface. A fully digital driver's display keeps all the critical data, including boost pressure, G-force, and performance metrics, right in front of you. Porsche has also improved noise insulation, meaning the cabin feels calmer when you're cruising but still lets in the glorious sound of that turbocharged flat-six when you're pushing it. Now, the real magic of the 911 Turbo lies under the hood. The 2026 model carries a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine that produces over 650 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful 911 turbos ever built. With Porsche's lightning-fast PDK dual-clutch transmission and advanced all-wheel drive system, the car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.6 seconds. Top speed crosses 200 miles per hour, putting it in true supercar territory. But what really makes the 911 Turbo stand out is how usable that power is. Thanks to Porsche's engineering, it's not intimidating to drive. Whether you're accelerating hard on the highway, carving through mountain roads, or cruising around town, the Turbo feels composed, confident, and always ready to thrill. Handling is another area where the 911 Turbo shines. Porsche has fitted the car with rear-wheel steering, adaptive suspension, and torque vectoring, which work together to keep the car glued to the road. The steering is razor-sharp, giving you a direct connection to the car's movements, while the suspension adapts instantly to road conditions, balancing comfort with precision. On the track, it feels agile and responsive. On city streets, it feels smooth and surprisingly practical. That's what sets it apart from many exotic cars. You can actually drive it every day without compromise. Safety and driver assistance haven't been ignored either. The 911 Turbo comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system. Porsche has cleverly balanced performance with practicality, making this a car that can be enjoyed daily while still being one of the most thrilling machines on the road. From a financial perspective, the 911 Turbo is also an interesting choice. While its price tag is undeniably high, it holds its value better than most supercars. Porsche's reputation for build quality and reliability means owners can enjoy their car without worrying about frequent breakdowns. For enthusiasts who view cars as both passion and investment, the 911 Turbo often proves to be a smart purchase, with many older models appreciating in value over time. For those financing it, Porsche also offers tailored plans, making it easier for enthusiasts to step into this legendary model without immediate full payment. This strategy makes the car accessible to more buyers while keeping the exclusivity intact. In the bigger picture, the 911 Turbo is not just a car, it's a statement. It's about the joy of driving, the pride of owning a Porsche, and the thrill of knowing you have one of the best engineered sports cars in history sitting in your garage. The balance of performance, luxury, and everyday usability is unmatched, and that's why the 911 Turbo continues to be an icon in the automotive world. So that's our in-depth look at the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo. You were watching Code 2 Car, where we bring you daily updates and reviews of the latest cars hitting the market. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Code 2 Car, and turn on notifications so you never miss a single update. Let me know in the comments, if you had the choice, would you go for the Turbo S, or stick with another Porsche 911 variant? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.